Okay, today we're talking about changing the manual push button flush valve on a Moen automatic flush valve assembly. Okay, here's the Moen part number we will be using today, 104524. Always start by turning off the water first. And you simply unscrew the old unit and pull it out. There's the old unit. Here's a new unit. Carefully thread it back in. Don't cross-thread the threads. And just real quick, here's a side-by-side comparison. And then using smooth jaw channel locks or smooth jaw pipe wrench, go ahead and tighten the new push button flush valve and test your work. Woo! I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.